2025 Ford Torino Cobra Jet is a car that commands attention. It's the return of a legendary nameplate, packed with power, performance, and modern technology, yet it doesn't forget its muscle car roots. If you're looking for a car that not only turns heads but delivers thrilling performance, then this is the one for you. Let's dive deep into everything that makes the 2025 Torino Cobra Jet a true icon in the making. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 Torino Cobra Jet, you're struck by its unmistakable presence. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The aggressive stance, wide body, and carefully sculpted lines give it a muscular, yet aerodynamic look. The car features bold front styling with a Cobra Jet grille that makes it instantly recognizable, while the dual hood vents serve not only as a functional performance feature but also add to the car's menacing look. A striking feature on the exterior is the signature Cobra Jet stripes, a nod to its racing heritage, which run across the body of the car, further emphasizing its performance pedigree. The sharp LED headlights add a modern touch, while the high-performance wheels ensure this car looks as fast as it feels. Moving to the rear, the Cobra Jet comes equipped with a sleek and aggressive rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips, enhancing the visual muscle car appeal. The rear spoiler adds to its aerodynamics, giving the car an even sportier look while ensuring stability at higher speeds. The paint options on this model are bold, including a few special edition choices, such as classic racing red, glossy black, and a unique metallic blue that reflects its performance nature. The exterior of the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra Jet isn't just about looks, it's about attitude. This car is designed to dominate the road and the track. Step inside the 2025 Torino Cobra Jet, and you're greeted by an interior that blends modern technology with a nod to its performance roots. The driver-focused cockpit is designed for the enthusiast, with everything you need within arm's reach. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, wrapped in premium leather and suede, ensuring that whether you're racing or cruising, you'll feel supported and comfortable. The digital gauge cluster gives you real-time data on everything from engine performance to tire pressure, keeping you in the know about the car's condition at all times. And for those who love to stay connected, the infotainment system is state-of-the-art, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 12-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls. It's a high-tech interior, but one that doesn't forget its roots. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Torino Cobra Jet comes with a 7.0-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing an astonishing 750 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This is no ordinary engine, it's a performance beast that's been engineered for maximum power. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear shifts that keep the engine in its power band, whether you're on the street or the track. What does this mean for you? 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. That's the kind of acceleration that pins you to your seat and leaves everyone else in the dust. But raw power isn't enough for a true performance car. The 2025 Torino Cobra Jet features adaptive suspension, magnetic ride control, and a performance-tuned rear-wheel drive setup that gives it exceptional handling, whether you're navigating tight turns or taking it on high-speed straights. The car's electronic limited-slip differential ensures that power is distributed evenly to the rear wheels, giving you perfect control during hard acceleration. With high-performance brakes, the Torino Cobra Jet can bring all that power to a stop quickly and safely. Whether on the road or the track, this car will handle anything you throw at it. When it comes to safety, Ford hasn't cut any corners. The 2025 Torino Cobra Jet is equipped with a suite of modern driver assist features to ensure that you stay safe no matter how powerful the car is. Lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control come standard, along with automatic emergency braking and rear cross traffic alert. These features ensure that you can enjoy the car's immense power while still having peace of mind when you're behind the wheel. The 2025 Ford Torino Cobra Jet is not just about performance, it's about bringing together the best of classic muscle car culture with cutting-edge technology. It's a car that pays homage to its past while looking forward to the future of performance. With 750 horsepower, the aggressive stance, and a modern interior filled with tech, this car is designed for those who want it all: power, style, and performance. So, is the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra Jet the muscle car of the future? Absolutely. It's everything you expect from a Ford performance car, and then some. Whether you're driving it on the street or taking it to the track, this car will deliver an experience that you won't forget. The 2025 Torino Cobra Jet isn't just another muscle car, it's a legacy in the making. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Ford Torino Cobra Jet. What do you think of this modern muscle legend? Drop your thoughts in the comments, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more exciting reviews on the hottest cars of 2025. Stay tuned.